In this video, I'm going to review the Google Sheets inside of your Easy Marketing Planner. So let's start with yearly goals. This Google Sheet could be printed and you could plan that way, or you could use it digitally. I recommend making a copy first, so go ahead and go to File, Make a Copy. Okay, then once you've made a copy, you can start to insert your goals for the year, and all you have to do is simply type, and then under quarter one, goal one, type in your goals for quarter one, and then maybe what your plan might be in order to achieve that goal in January and in February and in March, and so on and so forth. So I personally like to print these and put them in a binder, but you can use them digitally here on Google Sheets as well. The content planner for weekly reviews, this is something that I like to print out and keep in a binder. Just keep a couple copies for the month. So every week I start a new week with one of these sheets, and I just write out, how did last week go? What are you looking forward to this week? What are your focuses and intentions, and what are the most important tasks you need to plan and execute? So this is a weekly review and planning sheet. You can print it out or you can use it here digitally on Google Sheets. The content planner. This is one that I really particularly like. I like to print this out or use it digitally to plan out the different areas of my marketing plan for just 1 week ahead. So the goal for this week might be to enroll more people in my membership. So I would type out the goal for the week. So what's my main goal? Maybe it's I'm going to publish a blog post and I want to get 100 views on that blog post. So write out what your goal is for the week, and then that will help inform you what your plan should be for the rest of the week. So pick which day you're going to publish a blog post, and go ahead in that box, if you decide to publish blog posts on Tuesday, go ahead and type out the name of the blog post or maybe the general idea. Okay, so you just type in your ideas here, okay, on that particular day. And then are you going to send an email that day or Wednesday? So decide on the email in the subject line. Put it on that day. And then you can plan out which days you're going to post on your Instagram stories, maybe which day you're going to do a live stream, and then you'll have a one sheet view of your entire week ahead. So it walks through blog posts, social stories, live streams, email, Pinterest, and then other. So that's how you use this sheet. You can use it digitally, but I personally, if I'm going to use this, I just print it out. It's a little easier for me. It's just how I roll. So the next one is quarterly planning. So once every quarter, you're going to want to sit down and plan out your quarter. So this might be general topics. It might be just, a bird's eye view of your plan per quarter. It could be used for content. You can print out multiple copies of this if you want to have a sheet just for content per quarter, or a sheet just for your business goals per quarter. Simply just click in here and start typing your different goals. Next, you have a project planner. This is simply just a task list for you to plan out a project. So print it out, use it here, but plan out your tasks according to a project, and have just one sheet that you can look at per project. The next is monthly review and planning. So this is much like the weekly review, but it's on a monthly basis. So once a month, you can print this out and do like a monthly review and keep it in a binder to look back on. Then you have a habit tracker. I like to print this out once a month to track any habits I want to break or any habits I want to start. So it's a great little printable to use. You can refer to it once a month. If you like to have a printable planner in a binder, this is a great little insert that you can put in there. This would be a daily planning sheet. So if you print out 7 for the week, you could even print them on double-sided. This is a great little printout to plan your various different tasks for the day. Then you have a vision planner. This is for you to print out and develop your vision and set your goals for the year. So I have an area here for you to insert 3 to 5 goals per area in your life, everything from personal goals to relationship goals, all the way to work and business related goals. So this is a vision planning sheet. Then you have a blank copy of 12-month calendar, so you can plan out your months according to whatever year. So this is blank in terms of the dates. You can insert them yourself, but this is just a printable calendar that you can use. And then an audience tracker. The audience tracker is probably one of the more valuable things that you could do in your business to really see which areas are doing well, which areas are stagnant, and which areas need improvement. So tracking this month to month is really going to be changing everything for the better in your business. So that is a review of the Google Sheets for your Easy Marketing Planner.